Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So anyways guys, what's going on? And today in this video, inshallah, we're gonna start the first video in English language arts, and you could say even in this channel. So inshallah, we're gonna talk in this video about how to make a summary or how to write a summary. So first of all, let's talk about what stuff do I need to make a summary. So first of all, bring a pencil or a pen, a sheet of paper to write in, and a cup of coffee or a quick drink, and let's just get started. So let's just talk about the steps to do or make a summary. First of all, read the text carefully and try not spending very much time or waste your time reading, and even don't try to read as fast, like just read it slowly and carefully, okay? So second thing is underline the important phrases or quote or the quotes. Like for example, if there's like something that is important, bring your pencil, underline it, and be ready for the next steps. After that, organize the underlined text or quotes, and don't forget to add some of your own words so it makes more sense into the sheet. And let's just now talk about the way you organize the underlined text. So just be ready to write, and then you have to write an introduction, 3 to 4 paragraphs describing and trying to summarize in your own way the text or the stuff you underlined. And even if you didn't underline but you found something more important, just write it and add it, okay? The last thing, do the conclusion and try to use mature words, okay? So at the end, let's just say some stuff to remember. So first of all, try finishing within the time limit. So try to not do it so fast, and also at the same time try to take your time, but like don't just be so slow, okay? The second thing is use quotations and use your own words, like quotes. If there's important quotes, so just quote it, which means copying some phrases only, and try to use your own words, not just copying and pasting, okay? A third thing is writing in a mature style, which means using more, you could say formal words or formal phrases, and try to not just use the slang and the poor language, okay? And fourth thing, scan the text after reading it, which means that you should, after reading the text, you just look a fast, quick look before you start writing your summary, and just scan the text, and maybe you find something important, and and then the fifth thing, try to not cheat. It's just like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Inshallah you've enjoyed it, and wait for us for the next video. I hope you enjoyed it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.